Hello class, this is Mr. Castillo. Welcome to this video where we are going to discuss Unit 5, Lesson 4, Solving Multiplicative Comparison Problems with Large Numbers. So, we were used to seeing a diagram like this, and this diagram, as you can see, represents, for example, that Priya has 3 books. You can see her 3 books right here, 1, 2, 3. And you can see that Noah has a certain amount of times as many. Well, he has 1 time as many, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can see that he has 7 times as many. So right here, he has actually 21 books. So in this lesson, we are going to notice that when it comes to larger numbers, we are going to use a different type of diagram. So instead of this being 3 boxes like this, it's just going to be 1 box. So for example, this will be Priya, and she will have 1 box. And this box will represent 3. And Noah will have another set of boxes. Well, we said that this is 7 times as many, right? So that means he will have 7 boxes. So it's going to be a tape diagram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each of these is going to have 3. And the value of, if you add up all these 3s, which you're actually multiplying it, right? So you're saying 3 7 times, this will be 21. So this is the type of diagram that we are going to see in this lesson, because we're going to see, for example, the next example here. All right, when we have a large number like this, we have Noah read 9 pages. Claire read 8 times as many pages. So if you were to draw this, it would look like this, right? You have the 9 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Claire read 8 times as many. So you're going to have 8 copies of this. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But to draw this out is possible, but it's a lot of work. So there is another way that we can do this. And okay, I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to erase it. I'm just going to erase some of these. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm erasing these. Okay. All right. So this is another way to do this diagram. So Noah read 9 pages, and Claire read 8 times as many pages. So Noah is going to read 9 pages. So we're going to draw a little box for him. Let's make Noah blue. Okay, so he read 9 pages. Okay, and Claire, she read 8 times as many pages. So we're going to draw a tape diagram here representing 8 times as many. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 times as many. So 8 times as many as 9. So it's 9, 8 times. Okay, so this is our representation of this. We have Noah. Noah read 9 pages. And Claire, she read 8 times as many. So the value of this will basically be that multiplication of 8 times 9, which is 72. So Claire actually read 72 pages. All right, let's look at this problem here. Diego read 8 times as many books as Lynn read. Lynn read 7 books. How many books did Diego read? Okay, so the first thing we should do, let's draw a diagram. Okay, so it says Diego read 8 times as many books as Lynn read. So Diego's 8 times as many. Okay, so Diego, 8 times as many. And Lynn, well, she read 7 books. Lynn, 7 books. Okay, so we can see Lynn over here. Lynn, she read 7 books. Okay, these are her 7 books. And Diego, well, he read 8 times as many as that. So Diego, so this is 1 time as many so far. 2 times as many. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Diego, 8 times as many as 7 because Lynn read 7 books. And Diego read 8 times as many as 7. So if we add this up or multiply it, so this will be the multiplication equation will be 7, well, 8 times. We can do 8 times 7 or 7 times 8. And with this, we will get 56. So how many books did Diego read? 56. So Diego read 56 books. All right, let's take a look at this one. Tyler has some books. Claire has 72 books, which is 12 times as many books as Tyler has. How many books does Tyler have? Okay. All right. All right. So we see that Tyler has some books. Okay. Okay. So Claire has 72 books. Okay. So let's underline that. This is important. Claire has 72 books. And those 72 books, it says that those are 12 times as many. So 72 is 12 times as many books as Tyler. Okay, so we can notice that Claire, so we know that Claire has 72, which is 12 times as many as Tyler. So Claire equals uh, 12 times as many is multiplication. 12 times T for Tyler. Let's say T for Tyler. Okay, so I know that Claire is this number here, 72 books. So Claire has 72 books. So we can say that 72 equals 12 times Tyler. Remember, 12 times as many as books as Tyler has. Well, if this confuses you, you can just put it this way. You can say 12 times T equals 72. It's the same thing. So 12 times what will give me 72? 12 times what? Well, let's also draw a diagram over here. Let's draw a little diagram over here on the side. Okay, so we know that that Tyler has some butts. Okay, all right. So we don't know how many butts she has, but let's put it right here. She has this amount of butts, and we know that Claire has 72 butts, and that is 12 times as many. So she has 12 times as many as this one. So we're gonna draw 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And we know that those 12, those 12 times as many makes 72 books. So we know that this is 72. Okay. So this is Tyler, right? And this is Claire. We just don't know what's the amount in here yet. Well, we're going to find out because we have to think about um, 12 times what will give me 72. Well, using my knowledge of my multiplication tables, I know that 12 times 6 is 72. So T has to be equal to 6. So 12 times 6 equals 72. Therefore, I can say that Tyler, this is Tyler. Tyler actually has 6 books. And Claire, well, she has 12 times as many. Okay, so how many books does Tyler have? We said it. Tyler has 6 books. Okay? All right, class. I hope that you were able to understand this and that this video helped you. I'll see you in the next one.